What's up guys, and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have the nice trigonometric math problem right here. So we have to look for the value of x. So the first thing guys we want to do is to apply the Pythagorean theorem that states that a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared, and c squared represents the hypotenuse right here, and x squared and x cubed we represent to them as what we call them legs. Okay, so right here we can have this to be a square and have this to be b square. So imputing it into this equation, we have that x square raised to the power of square plus x cubed raised to the power of 2 is equals to x square. Simplifying this, we have that x2 multiplied 2 is raised to the power of 4 plus x raised to the power of 3 multiplied 2 is 6, which is equals to x squared. So the next thing we want to do is to simply rearrange the equation to form a polynomial. So we are rearranging the equation to form a polynomial, and this is going to be x raised to the power of 6 plus x raised to the power of 4 minus x raised to the power of 2, which is equals to 0. So the next thing we want to do is to simply factor out the common term. Now if you take a look at the polynomial right here, you will see that the common term right here is x squared. So factor out x squared, we have this to be x squared into, if you factor out x squared from x raised to the power of 6, we have x raised to the power of 4 left, plus if you factor out x squared from x raised to the power of 4, we have x raised to the power of 2 left, and if you factor out x squared from this, we have this to be 1, which is equals to 0. So at this point, we have that x squared is equals to 0, and x raised to the power of 4 plus x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. So let's simply solve for x squared equals to 0. All we have to do is to take the square roots of both sides. So this is going to be the square root of x squared is equals to the square root of 0. So this is going to cancel out this. We have that x is equals to 0. So let's simply solve for x raised to the power of 4 plus x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. So all we have to do is say let y be equals to x raised to the power of 2. Then this equation is going to become, x squared plus y minus 1 is equals to 0. So right here, we want to simply solve by using the quadratic formula. So solve by making use of the quadratic formula, and we know that the quadratic formula is giving us y is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all into 2a, whereby we have that a is equals to 1, b is equals to 1, and c is equals to negative 1. So applying this, we have that y is equals to minus 1 plus minus the square root of b squared is 1 squared minus 4 multiply a is 1 multiply c is negative 1 all into 2. We have that y is equals to minus 1 plus minus the square root of 1 squared is 1 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply minus 1 is going to give us positive 4 over 2 multiply 1, which is 2, because we have this to be 2a, and 2a is 2 multiply 1. Alright, so at this point we have that y is equals to minus 1 plus minus the square root of 1 plus 1 is 5 over 2. But recall, we said let y be equals to x squared. So from here we have that minus 1 plus minus the square root of 5 over 2 is equals to x squared. So all we want to do is to take the square roots of both sides. So taking the square root of both sides, this is going to become the square root of x squared is equal to the square root of minus 1 plus minus the square root of 5 over 2. So from this point, this is going to cancel out this. We have that x is equals to the square root of minus 1 plus minus the square root of 5 over 2. So therefore we have that x is equals to the square root of minus 1 plus the root of 5 over 2, or x is equal to the square root of minus 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2, and this, we call this the imaginary solution, right? The imaginary solution, and this, we call this the real solution. But all of these are the values for x in this trigonometry expression right here. So guys, this is how you can actually solve this trigonometric math problem right here. And guys, if this video is really helpful to you, please do not forget to click onto that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you in the next video.